Hello traders. In this video, we are looking at the super point signal indicator for MT4. This indicator is designed to plot clear buy and sell points on your charts, helping you quickly see where its internal logic flags potential trading opportunities. At this point, I'll load the indicator on the chart so you can see how it looks in real time. Alright, so there we have it. On the chart, the super point signal indicator typically plots distinct markers, often arrows or dots, directly above or below the candles at locations where its conditions are met. Bullish markers appear beneath price to highlight possible buy points, while bearish markers appear above price to highlight possible sell points. As the market evolves, these markers create a visual history of where the indicator has detected shifts in momentum or direction, making it easier to see potential reaction zones and directional swings. The clarity of plotted points is meant to simplify interpretation without turning them into rigid trading instructions. As for the indicator settings, let's take a look at what we have. Alright, so core settings usually allow you to adjust the sensitivity of the signal generation, so you can make the indicator more selective or more frequent according to your time frame and risk tolerance. There may be parameters tied to underlying filters such as volatility or trend components that shape where and when signals appear. Visual options let you customize colors, shapes, and sizes of the markers, so bullish and bearish points stand out clearly on your MT4 charts. Right? So who is it for? A super point signal indicator is suited to traders who prefer explicit on-chart cues for potential entries and exits from newer traders seeking clarity to experienced traders adding a visual overlay to their own analysis. It is a visual analytical tool only, and like all signal indicators based on historical data, it can produce false or lead signals, especially in ranging or news-driven conditions. It should be combined with additional confirmation, such as higher time frame trend, support and resistance, and strict risk management rather than used in isolation. The download link is in the description below. You can read more about the super point signal indicator and see example charts at the Forex Geek. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss future educational videos.